Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everything's going well. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this very dramatic, colorful, and glam cut crease. I really love this style and the colors are so beautiful. So I'm going to start off using my favorite eyeshadow base all over the lid, and this is Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. I'm going to apply, spreading it out with my clean fingers. And then I'm going to use a black base for this cut crease, and now I'm gonna use a eyeliner to create this black base. I'm gonna use the eyeliner by Sigma, and I'm going to draw the cut crease line and also the outer corner line, and apply a little bit in the lower lash line and outer corner as well to darken it up. And then when I have this super dark effect, I'm going to just diffuse the edges a little bit with a concealer brush. Before I set this black base, today I'm gonna use the BH Studio Pro palette. I love this palette, the quality is amazing. And I'm gonna first use this cream eyeshadow in the brow bone to highlight and to make everything look matte. So I'm gonna apply this shade using a normal shader brush. The next shade that I'm gonna use is the dark brown eyeshadow that I'm gonna apply right on top of the black base, and I'm gonna use a shader brush to apply this color as well, because it will help me to apply the shade where I want it to be and also to blend the edges. So it's very easy. I'm gonna layer in the product a little at a time, the eyeshadow on top of the black base in this case. And whoa, the next color that I'm gonna use is this warm brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply in between the cream that I applied before and the dark brown eyeshadow. This will just help to create these beautiful transition shades. And to apply this color, I'm gonna use a smaller blending brush. I'm gonna use what is left in the brush to apply in the lower lash line as well, just to marry the look together, as you can see here. Next, I'm gonna use again the same eyeshadow base that I was using before, just to clean up the eyelid and create the shape of my cut crease again, but this time I'm gonna sharpen it up with a lip brush. So it has to be a very small brush, as you can see here, to create this beautiful effect. And then I'm gonna use one of my favorite palettes ever. Look these colors. This is the Aurora Lights by Cpsmetics. I love this palette. All the colors and the pigmentation are stunning. So I'm gonna use these 4 shades right here. The first shade that I'm gonna use is Magnetic, this amazing blue that I'm gonna apply in the outer corner by the side of the dark brown eyeshadow and the black base that I used it before. The next color is this lovely green. Look at this, it's so beautiful. This is the shade Australis. I'm gonna apply by the side of the blue using the same brush as before. And then I'm gonna use the shade Going. This is a golden green, very beautiful, as you can see here, and shimmery. I love this shade so much. And to highlight the duct area, I'm gonna use this beautiful gold shade, and this is called 24K. It's very pigmented and so beautiful. And in the last time, I decided to apply the shade called Sparkling, and oh my god, I just dropped the palette. And I'm gonna apply this shade in the tear duct area to highlight a little more, and this I'm gonna apply just in the lower lash line with a small pencil brush, as you can see here. And to conclude the eyes, I just applied my favorite fake lashes by Velour. Also, I used a little bit of this eyeliner by Cpsmetics, this amazing blue, and also I used the Midnight Cowboy glitter by Urban Decay in the cut crease area and also in the outer corner. And this is how I finish this beautiful eye makeup look. So now I'm gonna do my foundation. Today I'm gonna use the Beyond Perfect Skin by Clinique, which I love so much. So I'm gonna apply a little bit all over my face and blend using a damn beauty blender. Also for this video, I want to contour and highlight my face. I'm gonna use my favorite concealers by MAC and also by Benefit. I'm gonna list down below for you guys all the products that I use it in this video and also the name of the colors, because for example the eyeliner I forgot the name, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna list down below for you guys everything that I use it here. So now I'm gonna just blend this concealer using the same blender as before, and when I finish to blend, I'm gonna just set everything using a translucent powder, and the next step is to apply blush in my face. So I'm gonna use a very affordable palette which I love so much, and this is the 10 blush palette by Cpsmetics as well, and I'm gonna pick up a coral shade to match the colors of this eye makeup look, as you can see here. And this is the palette. It's really cool and I love the colors because it works for everybody. To finish off my face today, I'm gonna use this highlighting palette, also by Cpsmetics. I'm gonna select this color right here, and before I apply the highlighter on my face, it's time to enjoy the music. So I'm gonna apply this highlighter in the highest points of my face. As you can see, it's very pigmented and blinding. So if you are looking for a more soft effect, don't go for this palette or apply just a little at a time. As I don't care for this makeup look today, I'm gonna shine like a moon. And to conclude this makeup look, I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick, also by Cpsmetics, and this is the shade Sorbet. I really love this nude lipstick. It's very beautiful and has some peachy undertone on it. So it gives me a perfect nude shade with some color on it at the same time. And this is how I finished this makeup look. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. I love to have you here with me. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did, because I do it with so much love for you guys. Tell me down below in the comments what you think about this makeup look and also what you want to see next here in my channel. I'll be so happy to know. And I see you later in the next videos. Mwah. Bye. Take care.